Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Uh, you remember in the chapter The Glimpses of the Past, we are discussing between like the war between the Britishers and the Indians, how the Britishers means British government, English government established their part of industries in India, and they earned a lot of profits, and they forced the Indians to focus on other social issues so that they would not make them that much capable to be the part of industrial development, and that's why we are lacking behind. So because to stop this and different policies, the high taxes, every single point I have discussed here in the class. So regarding that, the like in the previous class I told, like the British governments used to feed the use the caps of the bullets made of fat of cows and pigs. So the movement against the British government, the revolt was started as the revolt of 1857. So we are discussing that revolt and the fight for freedom, 1857. Finally, the revolt began when the issue arises with the that do not like the Indian soldiers clearly mentioned that they will not use the bullets made of the fat of cows and pigs. So from there, that was the initiative, and the revolt began, and it got wider and wider. Means it was continuously taking a great path towards its success. The sepoys means the soldiers, sipahi, marched to Delhi. The sepoys marched to Delhi. They started march to Delhi means the movement started at a large level. The landlords also offered their support, and the landlords were also in support. All alike sung praises of Bahadur Shah, their emperor, and shouted slogans like that to the foreigner. Let's see, uh, Bahadur Shah and the emperor, their Bahadur Shah and their emperor, and many other people also supported the movement, and they shouted the slogans like that to the foreigner. Means this slogan was in Hindi, but it is in English we say that death to the foreigner, means maro firangiyon ko. This was the slogan. The war of independence was initiated. Then the war of independence initiated. People rose in rebellion in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. Means the when this movement was initiated, then the people from Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad, they also came in this revolt, and they rose their voice. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow, popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad, and others joined the upsurge against the foreigners. When this who came in major support, the like former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow, popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah from Faizabad, and many other, they came upsurge. Upsurge means the rise of. Upsurge means the rise of. Rise of the revolt against the foreigners. So these all great personalities also came in support. Uh, Azimullah Khan. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope that Peshwa Nana Sahib should be chosen as the leader in the war for independence. So this was the suggestion given by the Azimullah Khan that since we have started the revolt against the initiative against getting the independence, we want independence. So the revolt against the independence. So a leader should be there, and whom should we select the leader? The Peshwa Nana Sahib should be the leader. Kunwar Singh and various other patriots pounced. Pounced means they raised the voice, or we can say support, or we can say raise the voice, like pounced and fought against the foreigners all over North India. Means from all over. See, the movement against, actually, if you will read in the revolt of 1857 in details, you will completely see that how and why and what, these three questions can be arise, and these three answers will be there in the complete description of revolt of 1857. who came in supported, different great personalities came in supported. Leader was to be chosen as the Peshwa Nana Sahib and Kumar Singh and various other patriots. Patriots means, you can understand, patriots means the Deshbhakt. Patriots pounced and fought against. They all started in their support, and they started fighting against the foreigners all over North India. So this movement was started actually from the North India. Then it took the major scale. It was started at major scale. So that's all for this chapter, the glimpses of the past. Now I hope you have understood that what were the conditions, why we, first of all, what is past and why we are studying these glimpses. So you should, this chapter is very important, and you should know some history part of our freedom struggle for getting independence. Okay, so that's all for this class.